Hey, in this episode, you will see I went to Ross. They have the best prices for upcycling, better than the thrift stores I've seen out here in California. Hi, it's Priscilla with XOXO Priscilla. I am really working hard to embrace my eclectic side. I ask that if you found any part of this video humorous, entertaining, or you learned something, please subscribe. Cute little pair of white shorts. These gorgeous blue savvy shorts from Ross. They call them these the mom shorts. They're high rise, go over the belly area. Anyway, I'm gonna turn these shorts into a sassy belt. One pair of shorts is, what does it say, 29-inch waist. The other pair of shorts is a 28-inch waist, neither of which can I fit, but I am going to put it all together. I love the belt. I also love that they have all these little different things that I'm going to use for something else. So right now off camera, I'm going to go ahead and take the pockets off, take the buckle straps off. I love this part. I think that is so cute. So anyway, let me remove some things off camera, then I'll come back and you'll see me put it all together. And the put together is quick. You can see I've pulled the pockets off of each piece, the ones from the back and from the front. All pockets are gone. All right, next step, I'm going to carefully cut around the waist lining because I need the waist of this to make the belt. As you can see, I have separated the belt part from the shorts. Now I am going to add the belt that was given to that part because I like a thicker belt. All right, see you in a second. The belt together for the final stitching, and once I'm done with this, I will show you the styling. I found the cutest button in my collection to go with this belt. I feel like in this one belt, I have 3 different styles. With each turn of a belt, it just becomes more edgy or more eclectic, more stylish. Like I would love that look right there with some kind of jeans. I just love this belt. It's a one of a kind. All right, your turn. Tell me, what do you think about the belt? What do you think about the colors? Can you see yourself going to Ross and just buying some inexpensive shorts just to make your own unique belt to match your personality? I am so curious to see what you have to say. Any suggestions for what I did? Any place that you think I should go to and get some inexpensive unique belts from just to make a new look? I'm very curious. Go ahead and leave me a comment. I hope to see you back soon. And yeah, subscribe.